Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I achieve these voluminous heatless curls. So if you'd like to see how I achieve these curls, keep on watching. To start, I'm going to be taking Herbal Essence's Tussle Me Softly Styling Mousse, and I'm going to apply a generous amount of this to my slightly damp hair to help the curls last longer. Now I'm going to lightly comb through my hair just to make sure there are no knots. And now I'm going to part it down the middle. And then I'm going to take my finger directly behind my ear and then go up towards that middle part. And this will be the first section. And now I'm going to twist the hair towards my face and then just let it coil onto itself. And now I'm just going to bobby pin the bun into place. And it's as simple as that. So now I'm going to repeat it on the other side. And then lastly, I'm going to repeat it on the last section of hair. And with the last two sections, I twist the hair to the left. And with the first section, I twist the hair to the right. And now it is time to wait for these to dry, and then I will come back and show you the final results. So it is the next day, as you can probably tell, and I obviously slept in the buns, and it is now time to take them out. So and these curls are looking pretty crazy, so to help calm the curls down a little bit, I'm going to be applying some macadamia natural oil treatment and just a very small amount of this just to help calm the frizz and not enough to make my hair oily, if that makes any sense. So like a pea-sized amount of oil. And then rub it in my hands and just lightly apply it to the hair. And that is it for this look. So be sure to hit the like button if you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!